Hello and welcome to Sam Good Design. Today we show you graphite living room ideas. Mastering graphite. Sophisticated graphite living room ideas for modern interiors. Imagine stepping into a living room that feels like a cozy hug from a luxury blanket. Graphite isn't just another gray, it's that deep, smoky shade with a touch of mystery. Unlike stark black that can swallow a space, or flat grays that bore you to tears. Graphite brings depth and warmth without overwhelming. This video dives right into practical ways to use graphite in your living room. You get step-by-step ideas from walls to furniture, all backed by design pros. By the end, you know how to turn your space into a modern heaven that's both dramatic and easy to live in. The psychological impact of graphite in interior design. Dark shades like graphite can wrap a room in calm. They make spaces feel snug, perfect for movie nights or chats with friends. Yet they add drama that lifts your mood without chaos. In bright rooms, graphite softens harsh sunlight. Under lamps, it glows softly, creating a warm nest. Low light, it still invites you in, unlike brighter colors that might glare. Ever wonder why some rooms feel smaller but cozier? Graphite tricks the eye that way. Test large swatches in your space first. Hang them for a week to see how they play with your daily light. Materiality. Where graphite shines. Graphite loves textures that add life. Brushed metals like matte black fixtures or aged bronze pools catch the eye without stealing the show. Pair it with wood grains for an earthy touch. Velvet or buccal fabrics in graphite upholstery feel plush underfoot or hand. These materials highlight graphite's depth, turning a simple chair into a statement. Linen with subtle weaves keeps things light. Start small. Swap a lamp base for one in graphite ceramic. You notice how these choices build layers. They set up your room for bigger pairings down the line. Architectural applications, walls, features, and scale. Full impression, graphite walls for dramatic effect. Painting all four walls, graphite scares some people off. It can make a room feel cave-like if done wrong. But in spaces with big windows or tall ceilings, it shines. Picture a sunlit living room where graphite walls frame views outside. It amps up the intimacy without shrinking the space. High-end spots like boutique hotels in New York use this trick for that luxe feel. Think enveloped lounges that draw you in. Go for it if your room gets plenty of natural light. Add sheer curtains to filter sun and keep things airy. The result? A bold backdrop that's surprisingly welcoming. Thanks for watching. I hope these graphite living room ideas inspired you. Please share with your friends and subscribe. You've been watching the interior design channel. Sam Good Design.